Now, repeatedly I am saying the student, please remember or request to follow my instruction, that is, for live classes students are making interaction, but always live class is not possible. So all classes is covered under BTS, that is by test series. Integral calculus, Kundu sir. You go to by BTS, then there is that is by test series, and you find a mathematics 12 for CBSE, ICSE and state boards. There is a video class you can avail for your revision class. It is available with BTS and it is very minimum cost, that is under BTS it is available, and all classes according to sequence, according to syllabus is covered in these video classes. Moreover, within few days, that is more 5-6 days, or by the next week, a lot of crash course under this BTS scheme will be added there, so that there are 5-6 classes or 10 classes will be given there every day, or consecutive day or consecutive class. In one class 3-4 chapter will be covered. The next class another 2 chapter 3 chapter is to be covered as a revision, because all problems are not covered according to sequence, that is according to chapter wise. It will be the revision class. There will be combo classes. For 2-3 chapter one day it will be covered, then 2-3 chapter, then different combination, chapter 1, chapter 3, chapter 4, thereafter 2, 5, 6, in different combination revision class will be given, will be very much effective for the student and will help to score to get the good mark in the examination, and for other professional exam, other entrance exam, it will be helpful for them. Those are appearing for entrance also. Okay, so it is all my classes for integral class. Integral calculus is also covered by BTS. I am repeatedly saying that at a minimum cost there is a option to purchase video classes from BTS. It is a very reputed organization. Everyone, all professionals, they are very much familiar of this. It is because a lot of offer we are getting in the market. Everyone is making teacher. They are selling the classes either sometime at free cost, sometime as minimum cost, etc., etc. The same. But BTS has own image. It is very reliable to all. There is a professional attitude and class is given accordingly. They are committed to the student also. So they can, if there is a need, they can purchase BTS series. Okay, now I am going to start for the problem 2. Problem 2 is, what is problem 2? Problem 2, I am going to solve problem 2 equal to evaluate. It is also important question. I will take the help of this. Evaluate what? 0 to pi. 0 to pi. And there is x 1 plus sin x into dx. We are marking as 1. we are marking as 1 here, this equal to, or they are marking as 1. Now from this, now what we can write? 0 to pi by 2, that is equal to, we can write pi minus x upon 1 plus sine pi minus x, pi minus x. So what is this? This is equal to, what we will write here? 0 to pi, that is pi minus x upon 1 plus what? It is sine pi minus theta equal to 2 into 90, and it is the second quadrant, into 2 means 2 into 90 means sine is to be sin x, and it is the second quadrant, sine is positive. Sine is in the second quadrant, it is positive. So 1 plus, we should write here sin x. We should write here sin x, so pi minus sin x, that is we are marking as 2. Now we are adding 1 and 2. If we add 1 and 2, adding 1 and 2. So we get what we get? We get what? 2i equal to, that is 2i equal to integration of 0 to this. If we add this and this, add, so what will be the net result for this? 2i equal to, it is plus and plus, so 2, 1 is equal to this and this equal to this. So we'll get in the numerator what? Pi. This will be cancelled, we'll get only pi. Pi 0 to pi into denominator is same, 1 plus sin x. 1 plus sin x, we are given the conjugate pair, that is 1 minus sin x upon 1 minus sin x. 1 minus sin x upon 1 minus sin x into dx we are writing here.